Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ngayon nga pala guys ay magluluto tayo ng itlog, sinangag at pritong talong. Ito na nga po pala ang niluto nating itlog, sinangag at pritong talong. Kain tayo guys! Happy tummy! That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!